In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Git Bash on Windows 11. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting out, getting Git Bash up and running is an essential step in managing your code more effectively. So let's dive in and get started with this installation process. First things first, we need to download Git for Windows. To do this, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Git for Windows download page. The URL can easily be found by doing a quick search for Git for Windows download. Once you're on the page, the download should initiate automatically, bringing you the latest version of Git that's compatible with Windows 11. If the download doesn't start automatically, there's usually a prominent link or button to manually start it. Simply click on it, and your download will be underway. Now that you have the installer downloaded, let's move on to the next part, running the installer. Locate the downloaded.exe file, which is usually in your Downloads folder, and double-click to open it. If prompted by the Windows User Account Control, go ahead and click Yes to allow the application to make changes to your device. This is a standard security measure when installing new software, so no need to worry. Once you've got the installer open, you'll be greeted with a series of setup screens. These will guide you through the installation process. As you progress, you'll notice several options presented in each screen. For most users, leaving these at their default settings is perfectly adequate and recommended unless you have specific needs or preferences that require adjustment. This includes choices like where to install Git and which additional components you'd like to install. Simply proceed by clicking Next on each screen. When you reach the final setup screen with the Install button, go ahead and click it. This will start the actual installation of Git Bash. The process might take a few minutes depending on your system speed, so sit tight while the files are copied and configured on your machine. Once the installation is complete, you'll see a new screen indicating the process has finished successfully. Finally, click Finish to close the installer. Depending on your settings during the installation, you may have the option to launch Git Bash immediately from the installer. But even if not, you can easily open it by searching for Git Bash in your Windows Start menu. And there you have it. You've successfully installed Git Bash on Windows 11. Feel free to open it up and start familiarizing yourself with the command line interface. It's an incredibly powerful tool that will significantly enhance your workflow. Thanks for watching, and happy coding.